you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cynthia. Please subscribe and join my family, and if you're coming back for more, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. So today I have another hair video for you guys, and today was sponsored by Wiggins hair. I really hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly, but I'm gonna leave the brand name and the links and everything to the hair in the description box, so please do check that out. But they were kind enough to send me this beautiful 26 inches. Okay, they sent me 26 inches of this beautiful deep loose, is it deep, wait, what is this hair? So this is a loose deep 5x5 closure wig. I haven't had a closure wig in a while, so I was really excited when I got this closure wig. It's so convenient, very easy to install. It took me less than like 5 minutes to install the closure. I tried to go in with my tweezer and plug out the hair, but I really didn't do much. I feel like I still need to do a bit more plugging to define my hairline properly. But the lace starts from here until here, so it's a 5x5. Yeah, like I said, the hair is 26 inches long. Okay, so the hair is pretty long. It's 26 inches long. My cap size is a small. No, I got a medium, so it fits. It's about right. It's a little bit big. I wish I got a small, but I'm not mad because it does have the elastic, so I did adjust it so it kind of fits me. But the cap size is kind of big because I got a medium. So if you're small, then please get a small. Don't be like me, don't get a medium. But yeah, the cap size kind of fits because of the adjustable these. There we go. So it fits about right. Yeah, that's it about the hair. Hey, I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box. I'm gonna leave the hair details in the description box, so please do check that out. I'm gonna get right into the video and show you guys how I styled the hair. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much to Wiggins hair for sponsoring today's video, and also thank you guys for watching today's video. I really do appreciate it. Yeah, until we meet again on the next video. Okay, these inches, like, this hair is long. Do you guys understand? This hair is so long, child. This hair is long. This hair, it kind of looks like a 30-inch, but it's a 26-inch. It's so long. it is extremely long. I'm happy. But yeah, until we meet again on the next video.